Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Hayden Panettiere, known for roles in shows such as Heroes and Nashville, has died according to reports. She was 36 years old. It is with profound sadness that we share the tragic passing of our beloved Hayden. She was an incredible light and a force of nature who brought immeasurable love and joy to all who knew her, and to the millions who watched her on screen, her told reporters in a statement. The details surrounding her death are unknown up to the publication of this report. In addition to Heroes and Nashville, she is also credited for films such as I Love You, Bette Cooper, Scream, and also a TV movie Amanda Knox. She earned her breakout role in the year 2006, playing the indestructible cheerleader Claire Bennett on the ABC sci-fi series Heroes. She starred on the series for 4 seasons. She garnered more fame playing Juliet Barnes in the series Nashville from 2012 to 2018, and then as Carrie Reed in the Scream horror franchise, included in 2011 Scream 4 and 2023 Scream. Panettiere earned nominations at the Golden Globe Award, Critics' Choice Television Award, Teen Choice Awards, and People's Choice Awards for her role in Nashville. Her performance in Heroes landed her a Teen Choice nomination and a Young Artist Award. She also won a Young Artist Award for her role in Remember the Titans. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.